guys. So maybe, maybe wait with that until afterwards. I think it's going to probably be difficult to have drinks and food in your hands. So this morning we will continue to learn more about the Indian culture and way of doing things. So with us we have Mr. Rakesh, who will, yes, hi, good morning, who will take us through a session of breathing and meditation exercise, if I understand right. Yes? Okay. So, and let you begin. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Rakesh, and I'm a fitness and yoga expert. I've been in this fitness since 22 years. So today I'm going to train you. I'm going to guide you with few breathing exercises, which you can do it on your own later on for improving your lung capacity and reduce your stress. And if you have any anxiety issues, you can reduce with one asana, which I will be guiding you. Along with this breathing exercise, I'm going to guide you with the meditation. Initially, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you can feel the stretch in your neck muscles. 8, 9, and 10. Now, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now, stretch your hands forward. Rotate your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now we'll start with the breathing one. So with right hand, you need to hold this posture. Index and middle finger. Okay? You are unable to hold it. Left hand, this pose. Left, right. Left, right. Now place your left hand on your thigh. Left hand on your thigh. Left hand on your thigh. Okay? Now with this, we'll block our right nostril and inhale through left. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now close your eyes. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply